Hello everyone, welcome to our live trading session. This is second session today already. So hopefully this session will be a little bit better because we didn't open any position in the morning. That's okay. We've got the plan. Maybe we're gonna be able to use it now. The plan from the morning, we're gonna check that in the second. But on this session, we will focus on price action cycle strategy. So we're gonna jump into 5 minutes and 3 minutes time frame. We're gonna go through gold, crude oil, S&P 500, Euro USD, and maybe USD JPY because it's looking pretty good. So we're gonna check that in the second, but before we're gonna start our session, guys, please let me know if you can hear me well, if you can see me, so we can start without any problems. All right. So let me know in the chat. I'm gonna wait a few more seconds because there is small delay. So slowly, no rush. No rush. USD JPY still falling down. Okay. In the morning, we had a plan for reactions, like you can see over here. I will tell a few words about that in a second, but first we need to check if everything is working. So, guys, please let me know. I will double check here, but it all should be working. Microphone, it's good. We got visual, so it's okay. All right, guys. Anna, can see and hear. Hello. That's good. Thank you, Anna, for that information. So, guys, let's start from our microeconomic calendar first. Then we're going to go through the setups from the morning and we will see if we can use any of those setups. Plus, of course, we're going to look for some new setups using price action cycle. All right, then. So let's check Forex Factory. 2 seconds. Okay, Forex Factory. We are looking at high impact news. Today is Monday, the 1st of December, the beginning of the month. Just to let you know, guys, December can be a very tricky month. The same like beginning of January. December should be okay, like for the first 2 weeks. After, it's hard to say. Sometimes it's very slow. Sometimes we can see unexpected moves, very strong moves. So sometimes it's just better to stay out in the second part of December, and that's what we're gonna do. Probably our last trading session will be on 17th or 18th. I will let you know. You should get full calendar for this month. So maybe 2.5 weeks of trading for us. And like I said, I'm gonna try to make $50,000 this month in 2.5 weeks time. So I'm increasing a little bit risk, but we will see if I can get there, if I can make this kind of money during live trading session. I'm not saying after live trading session, but all trades will be open during live trading session, or I'm gonna use some plans which we make during live trading session. Okay, because sometimes I'm opening positions right after the session, like hour ago, hour later, because I'm using plan which we do on live trading session in the morning. We will see. Okay. On today's calendar, we don't have too many high impact news. We got only PMI, which is very important, but it's going to be in like 2 hours time, 4 p.m. Central East time. So we got still 2 hours to find some trades. But we're going to take it easy because market may slow down before those news. So we're going to have a look at the charts. Crypto bleeding. I don't know about crypto because I'm not trading crypto, to be honest. So I don't really know what's going on crypto. But yes, maybe you're right. Okay, so just this PMI news later on at 4 p.m. Let's jump into our setups from the morning. Let's have a look. Trading journal. We had some trades in the morning. GBP USD 15 minutes time frame. Let's have a look. The plan was three different plans. First one was to get to the support resistance zone, bounce from it, and to break resistance line and to go up. Let's check this one out. GBP USD. Whoa, what can I say? What can I say, guys? I didn't open this trade, unfortunately, no. But look what happened. Look what happened. 15 minutes time frame. We got breakout. That is planned from the morning. We got close to the support resistance zone. Then this trend line, support resistance zone, worked pretty well. We couldn't change it for different one because there was no swing. So this one was perfect, and there was a chance to open the trade probably after this candle because we had the retest, so the price was breaking through this trend line, retest, and strong bullish candle. Okay, so I should open this trade, but I missed it, guys. Unfortunately, I missed it. Stop loss. Let's see, take profits. Yeah, at least 2 to 1. Oh, that's a shame. That's a shame. Nearly take profit we should have now, but okay, we can't catch every single trade, guys. Sometimes if I see the plan is working, I'm opening after the session. Today I missed it. What can I do? What can I do? $10,000. We missed $10,000 because my risk would be $5,000 for this trade. It's a shame, but what can I do? Like I said, we cannot catch every single move. But the good thing is that the plan worked very well. You can see the plan is working. We had that plan in the morning. This one here. The other ones were very similar to this one, but with deeper. Oh, come on. With deeper drop over here. And one more, plan number 3. No, this is USD CHF. Probably 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame to wait for the candle. Let's check 1 hour time frame. We got candle which closed above resistance line and closed above exponential moving average. So to be honest, it would be even better entry from 1 hour time frame. Why? Because this candle closed, so we should set our stop loss under this candle, under the resistance line. Okay. And take profit would be 1, 2, 3 to 1. Aye. Even more, maybe 3.5. What can I say? We need to look for another one. What can we do? But like I said, it's very good because the plan worked very well. Okay, so analyze was pretty good and it's all working. So I can't say I'm disappointed. I could be, but I'm not. I know I missed $10,000, but it's okay. We still got 2.5 weeks to make 50,000, so take it easy. No rush. If I'm not gonna make $50,000, it's okay. If I'm gonna make 25, it's okay. My goal is to reach 50,000. We will see if I can do it. Okay. All right. We had another plans on USD CHF 15 minutes time frame. Let's have a look. This is USD CHF breakout through support resistance zone and the cluster retest of exponential moving average and this support resistance zone. Market structure is bearish, risk to reward 1 to 2. Let's have a look what happened on USD CHF. 15 minutes time frame. Guys, we got breakout, but we still got a chance to use this plan because we got breakout, but there was no retest yet. So we can wait for the price to retest this area. You can see target is still there. So after retest, we're going to have our chance to open the position. We can still use it. We are not too far. We are only 20 pips away from this area. So let's wait for the price to come here. I don't want to see situation like that the price is breaking through this support resistance zone because that setup won't work. We need to stay over here, okay, at this level. So if the price will stop, the best if we're gonna stop for a while, few candles, and then nice strong bearish candle, so we can enter the position with 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. We should be fine, okay? So we still can wait for that setup. So it's looking good at this moment, unless we're gonna get straight to the target. If the price will get here first, unfortunately, we won't be able to use this plan. So like you can see, it's worth making plans in the morning, not only in the morning, but you can see GBP USD worked very well. USD CHF, we still might have a chance, and the plan is ready. We don't need to do anything else. The plan is ready. Okay, let's have a look at USD CAD because we had planned for this one as well. Okay. So I was waiting for deeper pullback of this impulse. Let's have a look. USD CAD, no. We didn't break through. This is looking pretty good, but what can I say? Okay, so another one and one more USD JPY, and this one didn't work because there was target from our morning strategy all in ASAP. The idea was to set order for reaction at the target. There was clusters, or it was strong area, but unfortunately the price went down. Okay, so I had to remove this order, so I don't have this order anymore on my platform. So we can still wait for USD CHF, and let's look for some new setups. Okay, while we are on USD JPY, I need to stop here for the second because this is asset which is looking pretty good today, USD JPY, for price action cycle. If you are talking about price action cycle strategy, first of all, we are looking at the current day, okay? So from open of the day till now, we're gonna find all the informations we're gonna put together, and we're gonna try to find the setup. So we are looking at current day. This is USD JPY, okay? And I wanted to ask, what do you think? Is it range day or trend day? But I think this is pretty obvious that we are dealing with trend day, okay? So the price is dropping down since early morning. So let's find out this first impulse. This is very important. The first impulse started over here, above exponential moving average. There was small breakout, but I don't mind. So this impulse actually finished over here, and this is our pullback, okay? So we need to measure this impulse. Let's check where was the pullback. Okay, so this is the lowest point. Okay, so we got, let me just mark this. This is the lowest point, the highest point, and this is our pullback. Okay, so 3 control points. And we got perfect reaction. Price stopped at 38.2. This stopped here, and boom, reaction of sellers. Okay, so that was early morning, 7 a.m. So this is our first leg. All right, so let's check if the second leg measure move is done. I'm pretty sure it's done, but you never know. Okay, so second leg measure move is done in this place. I cannot tell that we had reaction on this level. I don't think so. The price is moving lower. Maybe we're gonna get to level 138.2, but I don't know that yet, okay? If we are looking at this impulse, starting from here, to here. I'm not sure if this is already finished, so we might drop down a little bit lower, but we're gonna try to find pullback zone, and we'll see if we got any rotation channel, okay? Let me just check the chat. Hello, there will be another one. I don't trade crypto, only long-term investment. Oh, if you are talking about long-term investment of crypto, I got that too, but day trading, no, for sure. There will be another one. Yes, of course, we're gonna find new setup. We cannot hear you. Something is wrong with the audio. Okay, let me know if you can hear me now, if everything is good. Okay, I might try something. Just give me a second. Okay, I will try to uh, get better connection. 2 seconds. It's good. Okay, now it should be even better because I changed something, so it should be good. All right, so if everything is good, let's go back to our chart. So I know this is first leg measure move. The second leg was done in this place right here, level 1. Okay, so that was measure move. Template measure move second leg. This one is done. Let's mark level 138.2 or 1.382 because the price might still get to that level. Okay, this is 1.382. Okay, good, good. All right, so let me just remove this FIBO. So we know measure move is done. I'm gonna move it to the left because we don't need that actually, just to know where was the second leg measure move. Is if this impulse is finished, we might already check the pullback zone. But if we're gonna drop down lower, we will have to change our pullback. Okay. I hope that's clear. So let's add another thing to our analyze. Let's check if we got any rotation channel we can use, okay? So let's start from the top. I'm gonna try this high over here, this swing. Okay, it looks like it's working. Okay, we got nice reactions from the top. Bottom looking good as well, and we stopped at the bottom of this rotation channel. Okay, so if this impulse is already finished, I don't know that yet, but if it is, we can check the pullback zone. So let's try to find the pullback zone. Let me just move it. Okay. So our pullback zone will be between 38.2 and 618. But to be honest, probably I'm more interested in correction pullback between 38.2 and 50 because there was no reaction at measure move. The price got lower. So, okay, we can leave the other level as well just to check it later. Okay, because maybe yes, but in my opinion, this one's gonna be much better. So template pullback zone. Okay, this can be our pullback zone as well. I'm not saying no yet. Okay, not yet. But the first one should be better. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe it's not gonna be that bad because you can see right here we got some sellers. This is area where sellers came into the market. Over here, strong impulse down. So this might be quite interesting. I'm gonna check if we got any support resistance zone. We're gonna check how this gonna work. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe not. We'll see. For sure, this level here and this one, which is higher. This one might be quite good. Support resistance zone. Why? Because this is seller zone. So if the price will come back to this area, there is a chance that we're gonna see stronger reaction. But this is outside our rotation channel, and that can be a small problem. It doesn't have to be a problem, but it might be small problem because if we're gonna break through, there is a chance that we're gonna stay on the other side of this rotation channel, and the price may go up. Okay, so we need to be aware of that. But of course, if we're gonna break through, it doesn't mean we won't go down. This might be also fake breakout. Okay, if the price will get here, and if we're gonna come back into rotation channel, we still may have a chance for the third leg measure move. Okay, so we're gonna try to make few different plans for every situation, and then we're gonna wait for perfect entry. Okay. So if the price will drop down lower, remember we will have to move those pullback zones, okay? Probably. Okay, this is good. All right, let's check micro rotation. I'm pretty sure we are in bearish micro rotation, but you never know. It's better to check. So let's start from the morning. This is our first rotation of the day, correction and continuation. So it's confirmed. Another one we are looking for bullish rotation, which is here, pretty nice. Right here, correction, continuation. Oh, oh, 1 second, guys. I may be wrong. Maybe wrong, maybe not. No, because the beginning of this rotation basically started over here from this candle. All right, so we didn't get to the low. Okay, it's fine. We can mark that. That's a bullish rotation. Then we are looking for bearish one, which can be actually here, but this one is looking much better. So I'm gonna mark this one. Uh, confirmed, bullish, not confirmed, bullish one over here. Now we are in some kind of bearish rotation. We can expect bearish rotation. Hopefully, the price will drop down here. Then I want to see bullish rotation because we need to be in the right rotation. And in this area, we can expect bearish rotation. So everything needs to work. So we need to wait. We know we are after bullish one. This is the beginning of bearish rotation, and we need to wait for confirmation first. Okay. So at this moment we cannot do nothing. Probably if the price will drop lower, we're gonna move our pullback zone a little bit lower, probably. So this is gonna change, and if we're gonna get here now, this rotation will be confirmed, which is good. So then we're gonna wait for bullish rotation. The best if we're gonna have two tries of buyers, so two impulses. If we can get to this area here, will be perfect. Then bearish rotation. One of our setups, signal candle breaking through the trend line, and we're gonna try to get not sure how many pips, but we're gonna try to get to third leg measure move. I cannot measure this third leg yet because we need to have pullback. But this might look pretty good. I'm gonna save it. Just let me visualize this. So bearish rotation, then we need bullish rotation. It might be hard because in 1 hour and 30 minutes we got some news in the United States. Maybe they're gonna push the price a little bit up, so we might get there very quick, and then we're gonna look for specific situation, right rotation, one of our setups, and we can get for the third leg measure move. Okay, so something like this. Like I said, conditions may change. If the price will go lower, we'll have to change pullback, but the idea is gonna pretty much same. All right, so let me just save it. Let's go to the calendar, trading journal. Okay, this is price action strategy, and we got the 1st of December, and this is USD JPY, 5 minutes time frame. Second leg measure move is it's done. So now I need to wait for the pullback. I need to wait for rotation, then pull back our pullback zone. Strong reaction of sellers. Now we'll look for one of setups. Okay, so we know what to do. We just need to wait. Remember about the news. Okay, maybe after the news, this setup will work. Okay, let me just have a look at USD CHF. We were waiting. USD CHF, no pullback yet, so we're gonna have to wait for that. Okay. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna drop even lower. That's okay. So we know at this moment we know what to look for on USD JPY. Let's have a look at. Not sure if I want to look at gold. Maybe in US 500. Okay, this might be good idea to look at US 500. These are futures contracts, okay? So the same here. I'm not going to ask you if it's range day or trend day. We can see it clearly that the price is dropping down from since morning. Now it's some kind of like a consolidation, but from since the morning the price was dropping down. So I want to check this impulse here because it all started from this impulse. We are looking at current day. Let me just hide it. Okay. We are looking at current day. So let's check if there was proper pullback. Yes, the same to 38.2. This one here. Impulse correction. Good. Did we have a chance to open the position? In my opinion, we should be already in position and probably we should have already profit. Okay, so I think another one, we missed another one today. It's okay. Why we missed it? Because look, this is 10 after 11. Yes, that was after 11 because we had impulse correction to 38.2 to our pullback zone. beginning of micro rotation, breakout through resistance line, okay, correction, and this candle right here, we should enter the position. This one here. And probably 1 to 2 should be already done. With the safe stop loss, that would be safe stop loss, okay? 1 to 2 not done yet. But more aggressive, 1 to 2 should be already done. Quick trade. I missed that as well. What can I do? Don't worry, maybe we can re-enter the position because the price is slowing down. Let me just check. The first leg measure move, starting from here to here, and that was pullback zone. Where is our measure move? We still got plenty of space to get to measure move, guys. A lot of space. Mhm. Do we have any rotation channel or not? Oh, oh. Nice. Nice. This is looking very nice. Maybe we can open position now. Why not? I need to just check the rotation. Maybe we're gonna jump into 3 minutes time frame. Bullish, bearish. Um, the rotation, it's not what I'm looking for. This is looking pretty good. Hmm. This is looking pretty good. If the price will go up a little bit higher, that would be great. Then bearish rotation, correction, and we're gonna enter the position. That would be perfect. But we need to wait for the price to break this candle right here, this support zone, support resistance zone. Of course, we cannot stay on this side. If the price will stay over here, this may be tricky and we might go up. Okay, so we cannot stay over there. 3 minutes time frame. Let me check rotation, but I'm pretty sure we are now in bearish. 1 second, guys. Okay, we got bearish rotation right here. Come on. Bearish rotation, bullish, 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 bullish. No, here is bullish rotation. Good. Bearish one is over here. Then we got bullish one. Pretty sure it's right here. Bearish one then here. It would be great if we can see its candle like this, then drop. That would be perfect. Mm, Check 5 minutes time frame. Unless no, this is bearish rotation. Hmm. What time is it? It's 25 to 3. Still got 1 hour. To be honest, it's looking good because we stopped at the support resistance zone. Nice candle, bearish one, and we could actually open the position, but I'm missing this one piece of the puzzle. This one piece, micro rotation. Come on, let them go a little bit higher. I need this rotation to be confirmed. Then they can drop wherever they want, and we're gonna join them. But I want to be in the right rotation. Let me just check something. USD JPY. This S&P 500. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, let them go up. Let them go up. One more thing. 2 seconds, guys. Can I get another confirmation? No, I cannot get another confirmation. So we need to wait. We need to wait for this candle. The best if we can close. 1 second. Mm. I know we had rotation here, and there was, but the candle didn't close basically. But if we count this rotation, there was breakout for rotation channel confirmation. Just thinking about this rotation. Thinking now too much, so I don't like when I think too much. Let's wait for this situation, then boom. Okay, I'm gonna try to use it, but let's wait first for the price to break through, so we're gonna have clear confirmation of this rotation. Okay, from 5 minutes time frame, the same. Just one candle, few pips, guys. And then I want to see the price to come back into rotation channel, and we should be good. We should be good. What's going on from 1 hour time frame? Just have a quick look. Okay. Yeah, we got the space down the bottom, so it's okay. To be honest, I prefer to buy uh, on S&P 500 than sell, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, so let's wait here. Okay, so while we are waiting, let me just save this plan because I want to use it. Okay. to go down for the third leg measure move, and we're gonna try to do that. Okay. That means time frame. I'm waiting. Micro confirmation. Price can't stay too long above. Okay. Yes, let them go up. Come on. It's looking good. It's looking good. What if? Oh, let's leave it like that. So bearish rotation, bullish rotation will be confirmed in the second, which is great. All right, which is great. Then we gonna look for a reaction of sellers. Okay. Okay. Bullish rotation is confirmed, guys. Officially, I can say the bullish rotation, it is confirmed, which is perfect. Now we need strong reaction of sellers, and we're gonna have plenty of space to get to third leg measure move. The second leg measure move, actually. Second leg measure move, we got plenty of space. 150 pips, good. The only thing is, we got news coming up in about hour and 20 minutes. So that might be a problem. Because even if we're gonna open the position, I don't think we're gonna have enough time to get to our second leg measure move. That's why we can do something completely different. We don't have to get here to the second leg measure move. If we're gonna have good entry to the position, let's say we're gonna have entry over here. So stop loss, for example, here 2 to 1. So it's halfway to second leg measure move. Okay, maybe a bit more risky, but it's not even halfway. We're gonna open position here with stop loss here 2 to 1. Yeah, halfway, let's say. It's looking good. Let me have a look at USD CHF because no, not yet. Okay, now we need reaction of sellers. Come on. I can add small resistance line right here. Why not? Remember that we cannot stay for too long outside the rotation channel, okay? If we're gonna stay here just for a minute, okay, but if we're gonna stay here for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, that can be a big problem for us. I don't want to stay above. The best if we're gonna stop now and now drop, okay? Let me just get prepared, let me prepare account. You can see USD JPY is still falling down, which is good, but we're gonna have to change our pullback zone. In the meantime, I want to check US 500. 5 minutes time frame. Advanced order, risk mode, points, 5. Percent we got 1%. Okay, I think I'm ready. We need reaction. We need reaction of sellers right now because longer we wait, less chance of opening position for us. Okay. It's looking very good, but we need to see. We need to see sellers. The thing is, look at the top of rotation channel. The price went through, and it's holding the price. Okay, what that means? If it's gonna hold for too long, there is a chance that we're gonna go up. Okay, but if we're gonna see strong reaction of sellers and we're gonna come back into the rotation channel, that's gonna be our chance to open the trade. Okay, we just need nice strong reaction. Come on. This is looking really good, I would say, but we need to wait for perfect situation. I'm not gonna open now because this is too risky now, because we are on the other side of rotation channel. Okay. So 4 minutes, no. Let's check. Crude oil, they are closing the gap from the morning. Mhm. It's okay. We might close it right now. We might not close it because many times, let me tell you something about this kind of gaps. This kind of gaps usually appears after open of the day, especially after the weekend. So if we got this gap, of course, price should come back to this area and close it. Are they coming back straight away the same day? No. Sometimes we need to wait a few weeks even. So, but if the price is coming back, we need to know that sometimes right before the gap, they like to reverse, and they sometimes they doing this 3 or 4 times because most of traders they are thinking, okay, we need to close this gap today, so they enter the position, let's say even here, and then the price going up, they cut stop losses, then again strong impulse down, more sellers coming, and right before the gap, reverse, cut stop losses, and again they like to do that, not very often, but they like to do that. So we need to be careful. But if we are looking at light crude oil at this moment, uh, probably we can look for bearish move. We can measure this as a first leg measure move, because in the morning there was some kind of move up, down, up, but here something changed. Okay, here something changed. So from here we can try to measure pullback zone, and maybe if the price we'll do small correction. We might be able to open the position, okay, in this area. So this is pullback zone. Okay, pullback zone. And let's check if we got any like hidden rotation channel. Why it's hidden? Because we don't have any reactions from the top. Only one. One, I cannot say this is like proper rotation channel with one reaction. No, I cannot say that. But this is like hidden rotation channel. So we might have a chance that the price will get here. And if we're gonna have reaction at our rotation channel, that would be perfect opportunity for us to open the trade and maybe to close this gap. Okay, maybe to close this gap. So if this is our first leg measure move and we stopped here, if we're gonna stop here, the price will go up. That means this impulse finished right here. So we can measure this impulse. And we're gonna check where will be. Oh, we cannot check at this moment. Actually, we can. If we're talking about this area here, yeah, we should be able to close it. If the correction will be deeper, yeah, something like that. Okay, let's leave it for now. Like it is. So what I need to see over here, I'm pretty sure we are in bearish rotation right here. That's for sure. So the best scenario we can have uh, two try of buyers. I want to see two try of buyers and of course bullish rotation over here, bullish rotation. Two try of buyers and then somewhere in our pullback zone, the best if it's gonna be reaction at the top of rotation channel. Okay, so we can draw the trend line, resistance line, and I'm gonna look for strong reaction of sellers. So like the beginning of micro rotation, at least three bearish candles. Then I'm gonna wait for pullback, and boom, we can try to get the place where we got gap from today. So to close this gap, basically, okay. I think we got plenty of space. So risk to reward 1 to 2, easy. Let me just make a screenshot. So that's gonna be perfect situation for me. Why I'm doing these plans? Because you can see they are working. Not every single trading plan is gonna work. But even if I'm gonna make 5 trading plans and one's gonna work, and that one plan can give me $10,000, what do you think? It's worth it or not worth it? Of course, it's worth it. Even if I'm gonna make 10 different trading plans and one plan can give me $10,000, I cannot see any problems here. So that's why we do it. We are waiting for perfect situation. If the market will do something else, I don't care. I won't open the trade, okay? I don't care. I'm looking for specific situation in specific area and I want to see that. If I won't see that, no trade. All right? So let me just put that in the trading journal. So this is another one. This is crude oil futures contracts, okay? 5 minutes time frame, okay? I need to wait for the price to come back to pullback zone. The best if I can see to try of sellers, buyers. strong reaction at hidden rotation channel. One of our micro setups, and I will try to close the gap from the morning. Okay, risk to reward at least 1 to 2 at least. Okay, all right, so we got another plan. 20 goods, and this one here. I think we got pretty good plans, okay, for each of these instruments. We just need to have a look and wait for the perfect entry. So I was talking about USD earlier on. Okay, micro bearish micro rotation is confirmed, so it's good if you're gonna have bullish rotation now. Maybe 2 try of buyers, then we're gonna try to go down. So we are waiting for this one. And the next one was US 500. We are still on the other side of bearish rotation channel, which I don't like. Okay, I know we got 2 bearish candle, which is good, but I cannot see power of sellers over here. Can you see something like this? Like this, look at how many candles. If we're gonna have some more candles, now wait for pullback, enter the position, and boom, let's go. It's looking good, I would say, because we didn't break through this zone. And I don't want to see the price breaking through this zone, because if we're gonna break through, first of all, we're gonna be on the other side of rotation channel. Second of all, this rotation channel is already retested. So if we're gonna go up, there is a chance we're gonna go higher. And if we're gonna be on this side, there is a chance that the price will retest this support resistance zone and then go up. So I don't want to see that situation. I want to see the price coming back into rotation channel and continuation of its bearish trend today. Okay, the best scenario for me. S and P500 in channel. Yes, yes, Lorenzo, that's right. So no, they cannot break through. They cannot stay on this side, because for me it's gonna be crap setup. Okay, and CL, that means crude oil. So we got another nice plan for crude oil. We just need to wait, guys. And one more, sorry, USD CHF. If we're gonna come back here, from here, this is more setup from the morning. We might go down. So I got everything noted in my trading journal. If I'm gonna see any of this situation, I will try to use it. Hopefully, I won't miss anything, because I missed one setup in the morning on GBP USD, and we should be nice profit already. So hopefully, I will be able to watch those trades, and if any of these situations gonna take place, I will open the trade, and hopefully I'm gonna make the first profit of this month, guys. Okay, if not, I don't need to open the trade. Slowly, I got my goal for this month, maybe not this month, for next 2.5 weeks, is $50,000. I want to take it easy, because I don't want to start from the losing trade. So guys, slowly we're gonna get there. Okay, so guys, I think that's it for today's session. We got few different plans. All we need to do is to just wait for the perfect situation and open the trade. If not, no trade. Tomorrow is another day, guys. Okay, thank you guys for this live trading session. Thank you for being here. I will see you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, again, we're gonna see each other with different strategy, all in ASAP in the morning. So, guys, have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow. So, I wish you a lot of profits. Take care, and see you.